to the Female Nyko. I'm absolutely excited today because we're going to dive into something incredibly exciting, the world of herbal tinctures. Ever wonder how those drops of herbal magic can transform your health? Well, you're in for a treat. Whether you're a herbal enthusiast or just starting out your journey, fasten your seatbelts because we're diving deep into the heart of natural remedies. Ever wondered about herbal tinctures? I've been right where you are, clueless yet curious about the tinctures. Let's talk about why they are so awesome. It's simple. They're Earth's natural healers. Need help relaxing after a hectic day? Explore the benefits of lavender, ashwagandha, or passion flower to ease your anxiety naturally. Experiencing digestive discomfort? Well, there's good news. There's a tincture designed to help exactly with that. Peppermint, ginger, and chamomile are popular choices for easing digestive issues. We're not talking about some mysterious, hard to make potion. And the best part is they're customizable to suit your own personal needs. Now, before we start brewing our magic, we're going to need the right herbs. Opt in if possible for high quality, organic herbs that are fresh and free from pesticides. I get mine from Mountain Rose Herbs and LA Herbs. You can find them through my affiliate link in the video description. Just a heads up, if you do decide to purchase through that link, I will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. The first shop I got mine from was LA Herbs because they were having a really good sale, and as someone who was just starting out, I needed something that was very budget friendly. Some popular tincture choices include echinacea and valerian. These herbs have been trusted for generations for their healing properties. Take the time to research and experiment to find the herbs that resonate with you. This here is a mullein tincture that I started a few months ago, and this was also my very first tincture. Making your very own tincture is not only easy, but it's also lots of fun. Let's get into the details of the process, shall we? First, we're going to start by cutting your chosen herbs into the smallest pieces you can. The goal here is to expose the surface area as much as possible to the alcohol so it can extract all those wonderful nutrients. Then we're going to fill our clean glass jar about 1/3 of the way full with our finely chopped herbs. We're going to pour some high proof alcohol. 80 proof is preferred, like vodka or Everclear, but you can also use rum or brandy. We're going to make sure that our herbs are completely covered in there. The alcohol is going to act as a solvent to extract the herbal goodness. And then we're going to use a butter knife to mix around the jar just to remove any air bubbles that may be lingering. Then we're going to seal our jar tightly with the lid and store it in a cool, dark place for about 3 to 6 weeks. This is going to allow the alcohol to slowly draw out the herbal compounds. We're going to shake our jar gently every day to ensure the extraction of the herbal properties and to make sure that we don't need to add any more alcohol to our mixture. After a few weeks, we'll strain the mixture through a cheesecloth or a stainless steel strainer into a dark glass bottle because they're going to provide superior protection against light. Sunlight can be our tincture's worst enemies as it can degrade the delicate compounds within it. Amber glasses act as a shield, keeping harmful UV rays at bay and preserving the potency of our herbal tinctures. And don't forget to label your bottles with your herbs' names and the date so you can keep track of them. It's easier to mark the date when it will be ready instead of the date when you made it, so you won't have to try to go back and try to figure it out. If it's made with alcohol, it should store for about 5 years. And there you go. You just created your very own herbal tincture. I've made my herbal tincture, but how do I use them after I've made it? Well, the possibilities are endless. You can take them orally by placing a few drops under your tongue. One standard dosage that many herbs follow is 1 to 2 drops of 20% alcohol herb for every 5 pounds of body weight and 8 ounces of water. If you're using a 80 proof alcohol, then you will come out with a 20% alcohol herb. Alternatively, you can add them to your favorite teas for a flavorful and health boosting twist. For topical uses, you are going to want to dilute your tincture with water and then apply directly to your skin. Remember, you might always want to test in small patches just to see how your skin reacts to these different herbs. Remember, always stick to the recommended dosage and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Regular use of these herbal tinctures can open up a world of natural benefits for you. Thank you so much for joining us here at the Female Nyco. We hope you've not only gained valuable knowledge, but you're also feeling inspired to whip up your own tinctures. Natural remedies are so powerful for maintaining your health and your well-being. So why wait? Start infusing your life with the magic of these plants today. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. I can't wait to share more insights and discoveries with you. Until next time, take care, stay curious, and keep embracing the lifestyle. See you soon.